Okay guys, we're in COZUMEL, Mexico. Yeah, oh yeah.
After the shower, remember, go and grab your life vest.
Woo! Toka means no touch. We just did it. It was fun. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river.
You jump off the cliff, that cliff.
About to enjoy some Mayan food. We did the rum tasting, mango. Oh, this is nice. We're trying to go to the club tonight. I trying to go. She tired.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Things feel like I'm ready to bend.
Eating breakfast on the sea. So beautiful. This is day 5? Day 5, I think it's day 5. COZUMEL, Mexico. Hi! Hello! Look at these people. You took your shit off. You messed it up, man. We're in COZUMEL, Mexico. Okay guys, we're in COZUMEL, Mexico. Yeah, oh yeah. Ready for this tour. I'm ready for the snorkel in the caves. She a little bit worried. Yeah. She can't swim. But I'm a lifeguard, you see, so she's great. Yeah, I'm gonna try. But I'm gonna try the zip line. Yeah. So we're taking another boat to the island. So off the ship on a smaller boat to the island. There's a line right there. Fat Tuesdays, daiquiris. Yeah, there's school off apparently. We losing the group, baby. See the boat? That's it. Take a video of me right there, babe. Oh, they go in there. This boat ride to the island is crazy. Like, it's like a roller coaster, babe. It's going too high and too low. Now we down there, flipped over just now. Oh my god. I just want to reach. And it's 30 minutes going, 30 minutes coming back. Not too long. 7 minutes to go. Only 22 minutes in. 23. We need another boat coming back. Okay guys, so we're off the smaller boat that brought us to the island. Now we're on a bus that's going to bring us to the tour. And they're saying the bus ride is about 45 minutes. So it's like, oh my god. Approximately 2 hours just to get to the destination. This is a little crazy. But yeah, look at these buildings. It's huge. Paradise. Money exchange. Ooh. Las Chacadas.
Shit, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you SZA and Ari my love. Y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around.
Some Halloween stuff. I feel like they have Halloween all year round in Mexico. Their culture. The monetary. El Sabor de la Buena Carne. El Sabor de la Buena Carne. 2 hours later, our ride on the boat, our ride on the bus, Tulum, Mexico, to change, and then we could go in the canoe. I was sleeping on the bus. This is a long ride.
Okay, familia, welcome to Cenote Cueva. Okay. Please leave all your belongings on the shelves. Remember, if you're wearing sunscreen or any type of chemical on your skin, the showers are right there.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, make your way
And after the shower, remember, go and grab your life vest.
Okay.
but I can't even do the stuff in
Babe, going.
Voy a quedar por allá. Yo digo, better be in
I'm ready.
No, I'm not gonna die. Es de no voy a llegar.
Woo!
That's gonna be me.
Hey, make some noise.
Woo!
Who's next?
I don't want to do it. I'm not doing it.
Do it.
Oh, that looks so nice.
I'm taking the stairs. I'm not jumping in that. Let me see if I can get up. She's coming up next.
They're not getting to the water?
Why not?
They can get in through here, right? Yeah, you guys can get in through there. You guys can go in through there.
Woo! Ready?
It's not cold, it's refreshing. Yeah. You can just go over there. Yeah. You will see like in the ceiling. It's like a.
Guys, I did get in the water from the stairs. I went in, I couldn't record anything. I was too busy trying to stay alive. I don't know, I have the vest on, but I'm still scared. I can't feel the bottom of the water. I can't do it. This is 30 feet deep. 30 feet. But I did it. Only thing I didn't swing. Look at Khadijah. This is a third swing. Crazy. You got it, babe! Woo! Yeah, she got it. Blue butterfly. Yeah. It's pretty. That was the first sea note. How was it, babe? It was good. Yeah, she jumped. I went in the water though.
And she didn't drown. Don't touch the tree.
You can't touch the tree. They say it could give you 3rd-degree burn. That's so crazy. Wow. But we're going to the second cenote. Toka means no touch. Okay, we're getting ready for the zip line. Ooh. Thank you. Oh my god. Here we going. Oh man, this is high. Oh my god. Oh lord. I'm scared. That looks so far.
No, we're really scared of heights. So this cenote it's called Naval. Naval.
Oh.
That's why we're kayaking.
Yeah. You're going to land on the canoe.
What is that? That's a line.
We just did it. It was fun. Yes, it was fun. It was fun. She was doing something. Thank you. We did the zip line. It was fun. It wasn't too bad. Okay, we're on in the canoe. Is this a river? And we're in a kayak. We're making our way across the canoe. Across the river. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Rolling on the river. This is so nice and peaceful and calm. Tenka. So beautiful. I can't believe I'm out here doing all this. My life vest on though. No, stop shaking the thing. It's a little thing, you know. Stop it, babe. See right there. See walking in it. Yeah. See him? Yeah. It's a jackal. It's like a fox. Oh my god. These are some nice hammocks to relax. Okay, that was the second casino. We're going to the third one. Oh, water. Agua. Agua.
Vicky, you jump off the cliff. That cliff.
Yeah.
Just follow the path and turn at your right. Okay?
Want to jump in holding hands? Want to jump in the cliff? I want to get in first before I want to acclimatize.
Baby steps. Yeah, baby steps.
Yeah, and I kind of hold on. There's too much going on.
I don't know if I'm getting in. I don't know.
Geronimo and all of that. What is that? Hurry. Hold on, it's foggy in here. No, I haven't finished. What?
I told you to wait. It was now and never. I was scared. I had a partner.
Did you video it?
No, we didn't get it.
Handmade. Okay? After your lunch, if you want to come back here and grab something, you can do it. After lunch. Okay? Vámonos.
Everybody, let's go. I know that we can do it. Where are we going? Get some food. Food time. Yeah, the rum. There's a rum tasting as well. And then rum cake.
Okay,
Oh, this is the rum.
welcome to my favorite spot.
Yes.
Tequila place.
Yes, my friend.
Oh, tequila.
Yes, sir. After your meal, if you guys want to come back and try, we have a free samples. We are farmers. It's our own small production. We have coconut, coffee, chocolate, tequila. So I think you guys will enjoy it, right?
Yes.
Also, after lunch, if you want to see your photos,
Okay.
over here. Okay? Okay. Vámonos.
Okay.
I want to try the coconut too.
I want to try the. I need a little light somewhere.
Guacamole, grilled onions, smashed tomatoes, habanero pepper sauce.
What is this? What is this?
Rice.
Oh, thank you. No, thank you.
Use the chicken.
Oh, thank you. About to enjoy some Mayan food. What you get? Pork?
Chicken, pork, and rice.
I get chicken, veggie, salsa, guacamole, rice, and tortillas.
From the cruise?
Fresh made, handmade.
Oh, man.
Other than the steakhouse, but we ate there the first night, and I think that just set the bar really
Hi.
I'm gonna try Mayan dessert. Two ingredients, or two true ingredients. So caramel, and Nutella, or chocolate. Oh, they have churros. 5 pieces, $3. 3 pieces, $2. You want any? Okay, so I get the 3 pieces. Okay, yes. 3 pieces. No, dos, tres. Spanish. Dos, tres.
3 pieces.
Tres? Yes. No, dos, tres. Nutella and I don't know, and caramel. Oh, making this. Thank you. Where's the caramel?
5x3.
Oh, it's gonna roll it. You give a 50. Oh, I want the home. And you just dip it in. Oh, they put it in it. I'm ready to eat that one. Oh, let me see it. Did you get it there? Thank you. She's giving it. Thank you. Thank you.
It's 4 bottles.
We did the rum tasting, mango, coconut, coffee, chocolate, tequila, just a bunch. They all taste really good. We're trying to decide which one we want.
Chocolate and the coconut. Or I'm sorry.
Oh, you getting one? Yeah.
He's a little picky with the discounts.
Chocolate one just takes it.
But I can give you a free round.
Yes, so the rums were really good. I like the chocolate and the coffee the best. Now we could look at our pictures. Oh, look at you.
Okay, I am back for my one.
Look at your face, man. You doing all that. Mine's like that wasn't good. Look at me doing my foolishness with my arms.
Perfect.
Oh, this is nice.
Do you need a
I like these. I like
Put
those.
your email address, please. 22, ¿no?
I was dying in that. Oh my god. Oh, they get you. They got you. See, they got you, babe.
This is the last one.
Yes.
You have a totally last.
The tour is over. This is one of their little mosques or church. See the cross, see the little sign, statue on the side. And then there's a little well over here. Oh my god. But we're getting ready to go. Hi! You know, I thought it was a group coming. The tour was good. It was really good. I enjoyed it. I did a lot that I didn't expect to do. I went in the water, and that's a lot. I feel like I'm starting to get comfortable being in the water with the life vest. But yeah, this look like some alligators and stuff should be in here. This water so not green. Let's say that.
This is the same fresh water.
This ain't fresh.
It isn't fresh?
This is not fresh.
Oh,
The rest of the water doesn't look like that. Oh yeah, they taste fresh. It's not salty, but I mean it ain't clean and clear like the last ones that we jumped in.
Fresh water.
Anyways, how was the tour, babe?
The tour was good. I kind of wish it was longer. You know.
I feel
We
like
got, we went to 3 sea notes. I believe
Yeah.
that's what they call them.
Mhm.
The first one, you got to jump off the cliff from this swing.
yes,
The second one, you zip line and then you kayak back to
that's my favorite.
shore.
Mhm.
And then the third one, you got to snorkel a little bit.
And you could jump off,
a bit
yeah.
too. So kind of just wish it was longer, but everything is good.
And I snorkel, I zip line. Only thing I didn't do was swing with that thing and drop in the water. But
Oh, I
it
jumped
was
off the cliff.
really fun. I'll jump off a cliff, yeah.
She did not jump.
I think it was long enough. It was really good. And these sweets are really nice.
Food afterwards.
Oh, the food was good, yeah. Chicken good, guacamole good, the onion,
Was
awesome. And the tortillas, those real handmade tortillas, I ate about 5. They're so small. Yeah, but we're getting ready to go back on the bus, guys. Day 5 complete.
That's what blessings upon me. And 7 feet tell them a story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's why I didn't give him the job.
Office Depot. Finally got in. It was the whole day that excursion. Hey, it's after 6 now, right? After 6? Look how cute this is. It's supposed to be a dog. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty cute. Yeah. Yeah, now we gotta shower, chill for a couple minutes, and then eat it. We're trying to go to the club tonight. I trying to go. She tired. She tired. I tired too, but we haven't been to the club yet. And this day 5, we gotta do it because we don't have no excursion tomorrow. It's the best time to do it. Anyways.